Remove all the screws that fix the back grille. Locate the junction box and remove the screws. Remove the screws of the wire pressing plate and take off the wire pressing plate. Gently twist the screws to loosen them and take out the live wire, neutral wire, and ground wire. Remember the corresponding slot of each wire. Connect the power cords to the corresponding interfaces one by one. Arrange all wires and fix the wiring harness to the slot. Note that the wire pressing plate needs to press the entire power cord tightly and cannot be loose. Tighten the screws to fix the wire clamp. Arrange the wiring harness and replace the cover.